Hey guys, here's a quick video on a simple upgrade for your Coleman camping stove or lantern, something that Coleman should have done in the first place. It would have cost them just a few cents. I like to keep all my gear looking almost like new, even after years of use. As you can see, the bottom part of the stove, the part that makes contact with surfaces, is just painted. When you place it on different surfaces like a rock, the ground, or even a wooden table, the paint can get scratched and chipped, exposing the bare metal underneath. This can lead to rust and make it look ugly. But there's a very simple solution. This rubberized strip costs only a couple of bucks delivered, and as you can see, it fits perfectly, almost like it was made for this stove. I'll put the link in the description. To install it, simply attach the strip like this. When the strip meets the start and end, mark the spot and cut it. And here's the final result. It looks factory made and holds securely. Now you can place your stove on any surface without worrying about scratches. Even if the paint is already damaged, this is still a great way to protect it from further wear and rust.